Hello guys, welcome to my vlog. Maghihintay ako ng tricycle. I'm going to church. Alone. Yeah. Alone kasi hindi ko alam kung magsisimba si ate. So much better that I will take a tricycle alone. Ayun, yun lang guys. Dito ako sa waiting shade. Ayun. Yung antique na waiting shade. Ayan. Very antique. High school pa lang ako waiting shade na yan dyan. Tapos nung bata ako, it's a something unique kind of nature. Ayun yung natural na pawod. It's a pawod only. It's made from coconut leaves. Yes. Wala naman tricycle guys, pero itatry ko lang baka dumaan na tricycle, diba? Ayun. Yun lang guys. See you later. Bye.